So hey guys, welcome back to Ramu Rock Tech channel. Today we are going to draw a TikTok Among Us. So first draw a circle and draw a curved line up of the circle and draw a straight line. Give a small curve and draw a straight line. Again small curve, curve, straight line to the circle. Then draw a box shape line. Here bottom draw the TikTok shape. Now color it as I shown in the video. It is sky blue color. For that circle, color it sky blue color. In the circle, there is a small circle, don't color it. Leave it as a white. Where there is a small area, color it with dark blue. Okay, color it with dark blue. Now do outlines with a black pen.
Now shade full with
I use pencil. It will give a creative way. Shade it with pencil everywhere. For the TikTok shape, above the line, mark it with sky blue color. Do outlining sky blue, and inner part do with red color, red or pink. I used here red. I hope you like this video. If you like, share, like and subscribe my channel for more drawings and